Hello my lovely students, how are you all? Welcome back to this channel and here is your Subhasri ma'am. Today's video is the part 2 of linear equation word problems. This is specially for class 8 but class 6-7 students you also watch. It will be helpful for you. If you will not understand, no problem. Ask me, I will definitely clear your doubt. Okay. So first question number 1. Let us start. First, we will read the question carefully, slowly, and we will understand the information is given. The question is 24 is divided into two parts such that 7 times the first part added to 5 times the second part makes 146. So let us first find the two parts. So first we are assuming let the first part be x. Then what will be the second part? The number is 24 and first part is x. So definitely the second part of the number is what? 24 minus x, right? Now it is saying 7 times of the first part. So what will be the 7 times of the first part? The 7 times of the first part is what? 7x. And what is saying 5 times of the second part. Our second part is 24 minus x, right? So 5 times of it. So 5 times of second part is equals to what? 5 into 24 minus x. This is our second part. Now, according to the problem, it is saying 7 times of the first part added to 5 times of the second part makes 146. So, we will add these two. What we will add? That 7x plus 5 into 24 minus x, first part and second part. That will be 146. Okay. Now simply you will solve this equation. 7x plus 5 into 24, that is 120 minus 5x equals to 146. Now 7x minus 5x equals to 2x equals to 146 and minus 120 because we have shifted 120 from left side to right side. So 2x equals to, if you subtract, you will get 26. So x equals to 26 divided by 2, that is to 13 is 26. So x equals to 13. So boss, we got the value of x. This is the main thing. If you get the value of x, you can easily find the answer, whatever is asking. They ask find each part. So we got first line, you see that first part is what? X. So our first part is what? 13. And our second part of the number is what? 24 minus x. So 24 minus 13. So means 24 minus x. You will put the value of x. So you will write 24 minus 13. So you will simply subtract and you will get what? You will get 11 is the second part. I hope all of you understood. If you have any doubt, again I am telling you, you ask me in the comment box, I will clear your doubt. Now go for the next sum number 2. Let us first read the question slowly and understand the information. Find the number whose fifth part increased by 5 is equal to the fourth part diminished by 5. So first let us assume the number be x. So let the number be x. Now we will write fifth part of the number. So fifth part of x is what? X by 5. If it is saying third part, so x by 3, fourth part, so x by 4. This way we write, okay. So fifth part of x equals to x by 5. And it is saying in question, it is fifth part increased by 5. So equals to what? X by 5 increase means plus. So x by 5 plus 5. Simple. Now we will write the, keep it here. Now we will write the fourth part of the number, means fourth part of x equals to what? X by 4. And in question it is giving fourth part diminished by 5. Diminished means minus. So we will write x by 4 minus 5. Okay, you got these two, so you keep it. Now according to the problem, they are saying these two parts are increased by 5 and diminished by 5. Both are equal. Okay, so what we will write? We will write x by 5 minus 5 means minus 5 by 1. Okay, denominator is 1 equals to x by 4 minus 5 means 5 by 1. Now simply you see the left side, 5 is the LCM. So 5 1 ja 5, x plus 5 5 ja 25. Same way here 4 is the LCM. 4 1 ja 4. So x minus 5 4 ja 20. Now what we will do? We will do cross multiplication for finding the value of x. So we will multiply x minus 20 by 5 and x plus 25 by 4. Okay. Now 5x minus 520 is 100 equals to 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 25, that is 100. Now 4x minus 5x, 4x we shifted from right side to left side. So 5x minus 4x equals to 200. So x equals to 200. So we got our answer, that is the number is 200. If you have any doubt, I am asking, ask me in the comment box. I will clear your doubt. And if you feel that this is helpful for you, don't forget to press the like button, share with your friends, and if you are new, then subscribe. Okay. So today is this much, and bye-bye.